Hi guys, I am Ayushi Khemka and I am the co-founder of Mental Health Talks India. We are an initiative through which we try and create awareness and advocacy around mental health in India. And so today I am here for Lionize's Quarantine and Chill campaign, and I'm just gonna talk to you guys a bit about mental health during the lockdown. So we are in the middle of a pandemic, and in that space our levels of stresses and anxieties are this high, and it's quite naturally, it's quite common. It's supposed to happen that way. I mean, we are in the middle of a pandemic, this is no normal as such. But having said all of that, there are ways in which we can manage our stresses and anxieties. And so here I am. Let me just try and give you guys 5 quick tips on how you can do it. Tip number 1: acknowledge your feelings. We are in the middle of a pandemic, and feeling batshit scared about it is completely normal. And don't try to run away from your feelings, just feel all your feelings, and don't try and be like really macho that okay, it's not affecting us, because it is affecting all of us, and it's completely okay. It is okay not to be okay, just be. Tip number 2: talk to your friends and family. It might be a bit difficult for a lot of us, but at the same time, living and surviving this pandemic on our own, all isolated, may not be a really good idea. And for those of us who already have been dealing with a lot of mental health issues, living in a socially isolated world can be really, really tricky, to say the least. So let's try and stay connected with each other. Social distancing does not have to mean social isolation. We can do video calls, we can play Ludo games, we can do anything. There are so many apps out there. There are so many ways in which you can just catch up with your friends and your family members and talk to them about how you are feeling. Ask them how they are feeling, and it will make you feel a lot better. Tip number 3: control your news consumption. I know we want to figure out कि अभी latest corona में update क्या आया है. Have our scientists been successful in finding a vaccine, and what's the latest status, कहाँ पे कितने cases पाए गए हैं, and all of that. But let's not try and do that पूरे दिन. We can maybe figure out 1 hour or 2 hours maximum during the day, wherein we fix that time कि हम इसी time पे कोरोना के अपडेट्स कंज्यूम करेंगे, तो उसके रिलेटेड न्यूज़ कंज्यूम करेंगे. How that would help is that you would not then spend your entire day just consuming that content, and which in turn can add on to your stresses and anxieties in a lot of ways. Tip number 4: donate if you can, obviously. The pandemic is such in which we are feeling helpless. We, or like a lot of us are basically just feeling that we can't do anything about it, because हम कितना ही चाहें, we are not scientists who can just go out and create vaccines about it. No, we can't do that. But what we can do is we can use the kind of resources that we have, the privileges that we have, and donate. If you can't donate, ask people whom you think can donate to donate. Or if there is, like, say, an elderly couple who lives तुम्हारे घर के आसपास, and you can just maybe try and help them in getting groceries. There are so many ways in which you can just try and give back to the society. Humanity, I believe, really needs a lot of empathy and support and love, and let's just try our best to do that. And tip number 5, which I think is the most important tip of all, is to understand that the pandemic is not a productivity contest. We can do or cannot do anything that we like. If there are influencers and friends of yours who are telling you to do so and so things, like baking a sourdough or making Dalgona coffee, but if you don't feel like doing that, it's completely fine. Don't beat yourself up to it, and don't do things which you do not really want to do. It is completely fine. And because productivity looks different on everyone, सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है. There is no one fixed template that okay, this is how you're gonna ace quarantine. It's not gonna happen like that, and it's completely fine, I guess. So just be your own person. You do you, basically, and that's it. हो जाएगा. And please don't forget that you can always approach a mental health professional if you want to. If you feel that you need a mental health professional, there is help available out there. On my own page, that is Mental Health Talks India, we have put out a story highlight where we have flagged out a lot of therapists and organizations who are offering their own services for free of cost even at this point of time. So you can check it out over there. You can contact us and we would put you in touch with them, and it will be okay. You will be okay, and we all will be okay.